The kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's where memories are made, stories are shared, and love is served daily. Whether you're a passionate home cook or just starting your culinary journey, the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we've handpicked the 5 best kitchen products that combine smart design, quality, and convenience, making your kitchen more efficient, stylish, and enjoyable. So, let's dive in. Click the link in the description and grab the best product today. Number 5, Made in ProCoat 10-inch Non-Stick Frying Pan. The Made in ProCoat 10 Non-Stick Frying Pan is a premium choice for home cooks and professionals alike. Crafted with 5-ply stainless clad construction, it offers excellent heat distribution and durability. The ProCoat non-stick surface ensures effortless cooking and easy cleanup without harmful chemicals. Its sleek graphite finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. This pan is oven-safe and fully induction-compatible, making it versatile for various cooking methods. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or searing meat, the Made in Pan delivers outstanding performance. Built to last and designed for daily use, it's a smart investment for your kitchen. Experience the difference that professional-grade cookware makes with the Made in ProCoat frying pan, where function meets style. Number 4, Breville BHM 800 SL Handy Mix Scraper. The Breville BHM 800 SL Handy Mix Scraper is a powerful and intelligent hand mixer designed to make your baking experience easier and more efficient. With a 240-watt motor and beater IQ technology, it automatically adjusts speed based on the attachment being used. This means consistent results every time. UMIX.IT comes with quiet silicone-tipped beaters that minimize noise while protecting your bowls from scratches. The ergonomic handle and digital display add to the user-friendly design, ensuring comfort and control during use. The mixer also includes dough hooks, balloon whisks, and a convenient storage case to keep everything organized. Whether you're mixing cake batter, kneading dough, or whipping cream, the Breville Handy Mix delivers power, precision, and quiet performance. Its sleek silver finish also adds a modern touch to your kitchen. Number 3, Zojirushi NP HCC 10XH Rice Cooker and Warmer. The Zojirushi NP HCC 10XH Rice Cooker and Warmer is a high-tech kitchen essential for perfect rice every time. Using advanced induction heating (IH) technology, it precisely adjusts cooking temperatures for various rice types from white and brown to sushi and porridge. With a 1-liter capacity, it's ideal for small to medium families. The stainless dark gray finish adds elegance and durability, while the clear LCD control panel makes it easy to use. It also features an automatic keep warm function and extended keep warm setting to maintain freshness for hours. Whether you're preparing daily meals or special dishes, the Zojirushi IH cooker ensures fluffy, evenly cooked rice with minimal effort. It's more than just a rice cooker, it's a smart, reliable kitchen companion. Number 2, Fellow Stagg EKG Pro Electric Kettle. The Fellow Stagg EKG Pro Electric Kettle is the perfect blend of style, precision, and performance for pour-over coffee and tea lovers. With quick heating and precise temperature control, you can dial in the exact temp for your brew, ensuring consistent flavor every time. Its sleek matte white design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the gooseneck spout offers a smooth, controlled pour for perfect extraction. The built-in brew timer and scheduling feature lets you plan ahead, making your morning routine effortless and efficient. With a 0.9-liter capacity, it's ideal for personal or small batch brewing. Whether you're a beginner or a coffee connoisseur, the Stagg EKG Pro gives you barista-level control at home. Experience the art of brewing with this smart, stylish kettle. Number 1, Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus 6 QD XL Air Fryer is a versatile 6-in-1 kitchen appliance that helps you cook delicious meals quickly and effortlessly. From air frying and roasting to baking, broiling, reheating, and dehydrating, it offers a range of functions in one sleek black unit. With a spacious 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for families or batch cooking. The Even Crisp technology ensures crispy outsides and tender insides with little to no oil. Plus, the intuitive digital touchscreen makes operation simple and efficient. You also get access to 100 in-app recipes to inspire your cooking creativity. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe parts, making everyday meals stress-free. Whether you're making crispy fries, juicy chicken, or sweet treats, the Instant Vortex Plus delivers fast and flavorful results. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more amazing reviews. Check the links in the description to find your favorite products. Your support helps us at no extra cost to you. See you in the next video. Stay awesome and take care.